Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. Okay, now today we're asked to solve this question, and it says use the following information to answer the questions. So we have the cash book balance 2,000 cedis, uncredited check 2,200, unprocessed check 300, bank charges 100. Okay, now the question is the balance of the adjusted cash book is dash. Okay, the balance of the adjusted cash book. Now this question relates to bank reconciliation statement. Ensure that you check that in our YouTube channel for full video. Okay, so want to get the balance of the adjusted cash book. Now, given here is the cash book balance, okay, which is $2,000. The cash book city, sorry, cash book balance. Now the bank charges, once you less the bank charges balance, once you less the bank charges, which is 100. Okay, now this will give you 1,900 cedis. Okay, now this will now be balanced as per adjusted cash book. Okay, that will be moved from the adjusted cash book down to the bank reconciliation statement. So the answer to this is the 1,900 cedis. While the next one is the balance as per bank statement is dash. So this is where we now prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, and the bank reconciliation statement will start with this. So it will now be balance as per adjusted cash book, which is 1,900. Okay. Why? The next thing you say add unpresented check. Add unpresented check. Okay. So the unpresented check here is 300. So we have 300. This is 00. This is 2. This is 2. Now the next thing is less uncredited check. So uncredited check here is also 2,200 cedis. So this minus this will give us what? 0. So they say the balance as a bank statement is we have 1,900, 0, and this. So 0 cedis. Okay. So thank you for watching. Ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.